Guru Drone and Shri Arjun. Give them a huge round of applause. Guru Ramkrishna Paramhans and Swami Vivekanand. Give them a huge round of applause. Welcome them.
Guruvar, you are my esteemed teacher and beacon of wisdom and enlightenment. Your teachings are a divine gift, nurturing the hearts and minds of all of his disciples. Your teachings are a divine gift with profound knowledge and gentle guidance. You illuminate the path of righteousness for all. Guruvar, in the sacred relationship between teacher and student, you embody love, trust, and reverence.
May my blessings strengthen your resolve and provide you with courage and clarity to fulfill your divine destiny. May you acquire immense knowledge, divine powers.
You, the revered teacher and ultimate source of wisdom and guidance. Your teaching illuminates the path of knowledge, righteousness, and inspiring countless souls. With profound humanity, Guruvar, your teaching interacts students. Your divine guidance propelled us towards as a savior and guiding light for humanity. Your legacy serves as external source of inspiration. I bless you profound wisdom and the path of righteousness and enlightenment.
An exceptional mentor with immense wisdom and guidance, you impart like a guiding light. Your teaching style is easy yet impactful, making complex concepts easy to understand. You possess an incredible ability to identify the strengths and the weaknesses of each student. Your expertise in archery is unmatched. Your humble nature and genuine concern for your students make pupil an adored figure.
I bless you extraordinary skills and precision with your bow and arrow. May you become indomitable force on the battle.
Wisdom and spiritually alignment. Your teaching continue to inspire and transform life of this day. Your deep devotion and unwavering faith in the divine were continuously inspiring. You exemplify the importance of experiencing the spiritual firsthand, encouraging your disciples to seek direct personal realization. Your compassionate nature and profound love for all beings radiate through this teaching, instilling a sense of kindness and empathy.
God bless you with profound spiritual insight and guidance. May God's blessing would ignite a fire of knowledge and inspire you to spread the philosophy of Vedanta and Hinduism worldwide.
You are a true gem in the world of cricket. Your dedication and mentorship have shaped me into a legendary player, and today, through your guidance, I blossom into one of the greatest batsmen in the history. Your coaching methods are not only effective but also tailored to the individual needs of each player, and your ability to spot the talent and nurture it with patience and care is unparalleled.
I bless your guidance and mentorship that will instill value your dedication, discipline, and confidence.